Hello YouTubers, this is Antonio again. I'm going to show you how the alarm works on the system. I'm going to go ahead and set the alarm time. So, watch this. Hello Moshi.
Welcome. Command, please.
Set alarm.
Tell me the time you want the alarm to sound.
9:15 a.m.
The alarm is now set to 9:13 a.m.
You know what? That time. Hello Moshi.
Command, please.
Set alarm.
Tell me the time you want the alarm to sound.
9:15 a.m.
The alarm is now set to
There we go.
9:15 a.m.
Now between the alarm, you can say turn off the alarm, or to snooze, you just tap the screen, and it'll give you 9 more minutes for sleep. So, anyways, I'm gonna show you the snooze mode first, and then, actually, I'd rather just skip the snooze mode. I want to show you how the alarm will go off. So, anyways, right now it is 9:10 right now, and that's the current time it is. Basically, like, all the clocks just like go up ahead an hour, like in November when the daylight saving time ends, and then when the daylight saving time begins, the clocks go back an hour. So that's just how it is. So yeah. Plus, by the time when the daylight saving time ends here, I'm going to show you how to change your clocks back. So I might get a full video of myself changing all the clocks back an hour. So that's my goal. That's what I'm going to do. So anyways, let's go ahead and wait for this alarm. Basically, I already showed you the voice trigger mode on this. And then it also has a volume control on it too, so yeah. What it will do once you say turn off the alarm, when the alarm's going off, it'll just say what time it is, tell today's date, as well as tell the current temperature. Either degrees Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit. I chose degrees Celsius on this, like I said in the other video, because I decided to choose it that way now. Anyways, I'm doing a part 2 video, so if you haven't seen the part 1 video, just please go to my channel and check it out. So, anyways, let's go and wait for this alarm to go off. Got a few more minutes before it goes off. Go ahead and get a photo of this. For recording this video on my iPhone 5C right here, the one with the iOS 8. Thank God iOS 8 just came out last month. Thank God I got that update. Wow, I love the new iOS 8. It's really cool, especially the recorder just sounds like a little bit different in this. So it's because they changed some of the sounds in this. So yeah, if you hadn't update your iOS 8, you can just do it now, because you're gonna like this design that they put right here. So yeah. Okay, 2 more minutes, couple more, and then it'll go off. Let me turn off the light so you can see what that light looks like once the alarm goes off. Oh. Oh. Alright, here it comes. Turn off the alarm.
The time is 9:15 a.m. Today is Monday, October 6th. The temperature is 25 degrees Celsius.
Hello, Moshi.
Welcome. Command, please.
Set alarm.
Tell me the time you want the alarm to sound.
5 a.m.
The alarm is now set to 5 o'clock a.m.
Alright, there you go. That's just how it works. So, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video here. So, please rate, comment, and subscribe for some more videos. So, I'm not too sure if there's another part that I just put in, that I need to put in, but I hope you enjoyed these videos. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed these. So, yeah. And that's all I just wanted to show you. So, anyways, thanks for watching these these two parts of this Moshi alarm clock video. So, once again, I hope you enjoyed these videos. So, please subscribe.